Hello all. In this video, we will check with simple if statement whether the given number is a single digit number. So I had declared one variable called n, printf enter in value, scanf percentile the address of n. If n is greater than minus 10 and n is less than 10, we can go for printing the statement given n means percentile d is a single digit value, comma n. I will be writing slash in here. File save if2.c, then compile. Here the semicolon missing. Compile, then run. Value is 29. No outputs because we are not written anything if number is not a single digit. Run. 3, given 3 is a single digit value. We can check again. Minus 8, given minus 8 is a single digit value. In this way we can check whether the given number is single digit or